A new video? That means 10 new irregular verbs on the Begrepen.be channel. Check out this video to learn all about the irregulars from 81 up until 90. We're approaching 100. Just like every other language, the English language has specific rules about how you use verbs. Let's take the verb play. The infinitive is to play. In the past simple, we add ed to that, so we get he played. The past participle is also played. Irregular verbs, however, don't follow the rules. They don't play by the book. The only way to know the irregular verbs is to study them. And that's why we've created this series of videos to help you do that 10 verbs at a time. Put, put, put. Read, read, read. Ride, rode, ridden. Ring, rang, rung. Rise, rose, risen. Run, ran, run. Saw, sawed, sawn. Say, said, said. See, saw, seen. And sell, sold, sold. Let's do that again, and let's speed it up. Put, put, put. Read, read, read. Ride, rode, ridden. Ring, rang, rung. Rise, rose, risen. Run, ran, run. Saw, sawed, sawn. Say, said, said. See, saw, seen. Sell, sold, sold. Good job! Make sure to keep on practicing and rewatch the video if needed. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out our other content on the channel. See you soon for a next Begrepen video.